In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack password. If it's been a while since you've updated your credentials, or you simply want to ensure your account is more secure, I'm here to guide you through the process. It'll be quick and easy, and you should be done in just about 5 minutes. To start, open up your Slack application. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do so. You can either enter your email address and password directly or take advantage of the convenience of logging in using your Google or Apple account. This flexibility allows you to choose whatever method you find easiest to access your workspace. Once you have successfully logged in, you may be prompted to either open Slack in the desktop app or continue using it in your web browser. Both options are available, so you can choose based on what you prefer or what device you're using. Most users find the desktop app to be quite handy, but it's all about what works best for your workflow. Now that you're inside your Slack account, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll see your profile photo. Click on that photo to proceed. This will provide access to your profile settings, which is what we need to navigate through in order to change your password. After clicking your photo, you'll see a menu appear. Go ahead and select Profile. This step brings you to your personal profile page. Here, find the option denoted by 3 dots, sometimes referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking on these 3 dots will offer a few more options. Next, choose Account Settings from the menu that appears. In this section, you'll find all the settings related to your Slack account. Look for the option labeled Expand, which is usually next to your password details. Click on this to reveal the fields needed for changing your password. Once you've expanded the password section, you'll need to type in both your current password and the new password you wish to use. It's important to choose a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. Be sure it's something memorable, yet difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered the required information, double-check that you've typed everything correctly. Finally, click on Save Password to ensure your changes take effect. With that, your new password is now set and your account is a bit more secure. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your Slack password. You can now work with the peace of mind that your account is protected with a new, strong password. Remember, it's a good habit to update your passwords regularly and to use unique passwords for different accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.